Hi everyone! In this lesson, we will go over 6 vocabulary about different types of numbers. The first word is prime number. A number is called prime if it has 2 factors only, which are 1 in itself. Also, it has to be a whole number greater than 1 because 1 only has 1 factor, which is itself. An example of a prime number is 2 because it only has 2 factors, which are 1 in itself. Also, 2 is the smallest prime number. It also happens to be the only even number that is a prime number. The second word on this list is composite number. A number is called composite if it has more than 2 factors. Essentially, if a number is not a prime number, it will be a composite number except the number 1 because 1 only has 1 factor. Also, all even numbers except 2 are composite numbers because all even numbers will have at least 3 factors, 1 itself and 2 at least. Giving all these facts, a composite number can be 10 because it has 1, 2, 5, and 10 as its factors. The third word is square number. A square number is the result of multiplying a number by itself. Some examples of square numbers are 1, which is created by 1 times 1, 4, which is created by 2 times 2, 9, which is created by 3 times 3, 16, which is created by 4 times 4. Now add a few more square numbers following the pattern. Square numbers will have odd number of factors since one of the factor pair is the same number that creates a square array. For example, all the factors of 16 are 1, 2, 4, 8, and 16, which are only 5 factors. If you match the factor pairs together, you will notice that 4 does not seem to have a partner because its partner is itself, and it makes a square array. The fourth word is perfect number. A number is considered perfect if its proper factors add up to equal to the number itself. For example, the proper factors of 6 are 1, 2, and 3. Again, you don't include the number itself. If you add all these proper factors together, it is 6, which is equal to the number itself. So 6 is a perfect number. The fifth word is abundant number. A number is abundant if its proper factors add up to be more than the number itself. For example, the proper factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, and 12. Since these factors add up to 36, which is more than 24 itself, 24 is an abundant number. Also, all abundant numbers are composite numbers since they always have more than 2 factors. The last word for this video is deficient number. A number is deficient if its proper factors add up to be less than the number itself. For example, the proper factors of 14 are 1, 2, and 7. Since these factors add up to 10, which is less than 14 itself, 14 is a deficient number. Also, all prime numbers will be deficient numbers since they only have 1 as its proper factor. To wrap this up, when categorizing a number into perfect, abundant, or deficient numbers, all you need to do is to look and compare the sum of the proper factors. If the sum is the same, it will be perfect. If the sum is more, it is abundant. If the sum is less, it will be deficient. When describing a number, it can have multiple features and names, such as a prime number can also be called a deficient number. Okay, that's it for the lesson.